Dear viewers, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on the ringtone, like the video and write us your thoughts on the subject. Toyota has announced pricing for the 2023 Prius Prime, which starts $3,580 higher than the outgoing Prime at $33,445. The top XSE Premium trim now starts above $40,000, representing a $4,620 increase over the 2022 limited model. Toyota is also estimating a 44-mile range for the base SE, versus the old model's 25-mile range. The debut of the fifth-generation Toyota Prius in November brought flashy new bodywork, with the plug-in Prime model packing a beefier 220-horsepower powertrain. This week Toyota revealed pricing for the 2023 Prius Prime, with the improved performance and sharp styling coming at a significant price increase. The added power, which shaves the sprint to 60 miles per hour from a 10-second trudge down to a claimed 6.6 seconds, sees the Prime rebranded as the sportier model, swapping the LE, XLE, and limited nameplates for SE, XSE, and XSE Premium trims. The base SE now starts at $33,445, a $3,580 bump over the outgoing base Prius Prime. Stepping up to XSE brings a $36,695 price tag, a whopping $5,050 more than the previous XLE trim. The top of the lineup sees the Prius Prime crest $40,000, a $4,620 hike over the 2022 limited. Along with pricing, Toyota revealed estimates for the 2023 Prius Prime's all-electric range. Although Toyota's original estimate was 38 miles, Toyota now says the Prime's new battery pack, nearly double the size of the outgoing model's unit, will net a 44-mile range for the SE model. Even the slightly lower 39-mile range Toyota claims for the top two trims is an impressive increase over the 2022 Prius Prime's 25-mile figure. The XSE and XSE Premium grades sacrifice those 5 miles of range for 19-inch wheels, while the SE comes standard with 17-inch wheels. The first examples of the Prius Prime are supposed to reach dealers in May. Dear viewers, please share your thoughts on the subject with us.